Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I get the following error notification while I try to translate the one web page via my Google Chrome web browser, and it shows this page could not be translated. So how to fix this issue? And this method almost works for all Windows platforms like Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10 also. So anyway, let's go to our tutorial. So very simple method to fix this issue is just click to access this Google Chrome Web Store, and in the search bar section you can search Google Translate and then hit to enter, and it shows some search results. So here you can select second one, and this is the officially released extension from Google Translate. So I try to press add to Chrome option, and it asks for confirmation, so you can press add extension. So once you install this extension, just close this Chrome Web Store, and one more time I try to access that same website because I try to check it this time this translate works or not. So now in this website section you can press this extension icon and then select Google Translate, and it asks for the translate language. So I try to enter English and then press translate. So finally you can press translate this page. So now this time you can see this web page is successfully translated to English language, and this trick works very smoothly. So this is the way you can easily translate your all Google Chrome web pages by watching my tutorial. For more tech videos you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.